What's up, guys and gals? Rasean here, one half of Not Your Mama's Greens, and today we got just egg, right? So we've been hearing a lot about it and how it's supposedly so good, or it has a good resemblance to real egg. So we're gonna try it today. We're not gonna do anything special. We're just gonna scramble it up and see if it reminds me of some regular scrambled eggs. So let's get to it. Alright, so with the seasonings and how we'll be making it, we're going to do it just like how I would do regular scrambled eggs. We have some vegan butter, some Morton iodized salt, and just some regular pure ground black pepper. And in the just egg, alright, and for the ingredients in the just egg mixture will be water, mung bean protein isolate. These are the first two ingredients. Expeller pressed canola oil. Contains less than 2% of dehydrated onion. What? Dehydrated onion? Alright, so everybody has their own technique when it comes to making their scrambled eggs. So I guess I'll just show you my technique with the just egg product that we have today. So, we're just going to melt some butter on medium-high heat. Get it nice and spread around. Alright, then I guess we'll add some of this just egg, made from plants, not chickens. And be wary, it does contain soy. So if you're trying to go easy on the soy, you might not want to try this. I'm going to add about, I guess, 2.5 eggs worth. Like 2 eggs, right? 2 eggs. I guess how I do my eggs, I spread it out. Try to get all the way spread out like that. And I take it on and off the heat. So I'll scramble and take it off the heat. Kind of smells like pancakes right now. Almost. And I'll put it back on the heat. It looks like it's kind of frying, like almost like some like pancakes. It's weird. Get this off the heat. Reminds me of the smell of like a beef patty. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. It's kind of odd. Just back on the heat. It's starting to kind of look like some scrambled eggs now. And, yep, this is when I add the seasonings, when it's just about done cooking. Salt in the palm of my hand, sprinkle it over, a little bit of black pepper. And the reason why I never season my eggs before I scramble them is because with regular eggs, it kind of makes it a little rubbery, and it can make it also watery. So you don't want to season it before it actually cooks. You want to wait till it's just about done cooking to season it correctly. I'm not sure if it works the same way with this, but we'll try this out because it looks like it's about done. Alright. Bada bing, bada boom. We got some scrambled eggs. Let's give it a taste. Initial reaction, the texture is just like eggs. It's weird. It's just like an egg, but the taste has it's a slight aftertaste. That's not egg, but I don't mind it. It's actually pretty good. I don't mind eating a full plate of eggs. It's just egg. So about 1 out of 10, I'll give it about an 8 when it comes to taste, but a 10 for texture. So after trying it, after cooking it, after smelling it, it's actually a pretty good substitute. If you were adding it with something that has scrambled eggs in the recipe, it'd probably go perfect with it. So for like a fried rice, I'm definitely gonna try this with our veggie fried rice recipe. But by itself with breakfast, I'm not too sure if I'll be doing that. I want everybody's opinion. Everybody who tries it, let us know in the comment section if you would eat it with breakfast or what you would put it in to complement the flavor of this just egg. But that's my review. I hope you guys enjoy. Let us know in the comments, like the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you guys at the next one.